Guys, Utando Nestembo is nothing without Makumalo. Because Musamseleku knows that from all his wives, Makumalo, she is very active. You understand? She is very active. That's why Matele and Mayeni, they hate Makumalo most of the times. That's why they hate Makumalo, because Makumalo, she is very active and she takes business serious. So Musamsele, most of the times when he is managing his business, he puts Makumalo on the front, just because he knows that Makumalo, she is very active most of the times. Look at Makumalo. Guys, there is no show without Makumalo, because now Makumalo, she have got many followers. She have got many followers. And Macele and Mayeni, the way they hate Makumalo, they make Makumalo more famous. You understand? The more you hate a person who is a celebrity, or you are talking negative things about that person, you are making that person more famous. They don't even know. You understand? Just because, guys, they know that Makumaloshi is very active, even in all Museleku's program as a Mshado, planned, produced by Makumalo. You understand? I don't understand many programs, guys, many programs produced by Makumalo, the Museleku's programs. You understand? Because even we don't even know that Makumalo, she is the one who produced, she is the one who produced Utando Nestembo, Makumalo and Musamseleku. You understand? Musamseleku knows that when he wants anything, something to be done, he goes to Makumalo. You understand? Because he knows that Makumalo, she is very active. You understand? Like, guys, like Mayeni, she can't do anything with herself. She wants Musamseleku spoil her most of the times. That's why they hate Makumalo, because Makumalo, she can do anything. And Makumalo, she have got many cars. You understand? But Many and Matele, maybe they don't have many cars like Makumalo. You understand? Guys, Makumalo, she is an independent woman. That's why they hate her. You understand? That's why they hate her. She is very active. That woman, guys, she is very active. Even by producing, because was at Housewives of Durban, Makumalo. She was at Housewives of Durban, but we don't know nowadays what's going on. You understand? Because, guys, when you are a very independent woman, guys, you have everything you want. And, guys, that's why Musamseleku wants Makumalo, because he knows that Makumalo, she is very independent and she is very active. Guys, without Makumalo, Musamseleku had got nothing, because now he is a millionaire because of Makumalo, but he doesn't love Makumalo as much. He wants Makumalo to he wants to use Makumalo. I saw that, but he doesn't love her. Guys, we don't want to lie.